What's up, family? Welcome back to yet another powerful video. We are analyzing the markets here for the week. So this is our weekly Monday focused, where we really analyzing Nasdaq, breaking it down on potential, direction that we can get for this whole week. It is there to also bring light to beginner traders, to also align their trading skill that they've learned from this channel, where they can align it to exactly the concept that we're using over here. Now we're on the daily time frame. I don't want to waste any further time here. We are on the daily time frame, and I just want to take this high. There we go. When you take that high over there, you stretch it across. Why am I doing this? It it makes me highlight exactly ways trying to navigate a change of trends if we're going to have a change of trend whatsoever. So taking this previous high, we can see that the market really did rally into it quite very bullish over there and displaced it or matched up this bullish momentum with this bearish momentum. Now, usually what I would want to understand, do we have a change of character in order to conclude a direction that we are selling or buying? And from then on, I would sort of just take the direction of the trend together with my smart money tools like your supply and demand, all of that. Now, we can clearly see at this level, according to smart money, this is our recent higher low that broke the structure. So we can clearly label this as a break of structure. Okay. It was a break of structure. Okay. So if the market were to break and rate that potential. But for now, I'm not looking at that. That's a little bit too far-fetched, right? I want to go to the 4H time frame and we further just now break it down. We can see that that whole momentum of, I believe this was last week from the 8th of November, we've been selling. We did have over here, we did have a beautiful Wyckoff schematic. So if you can just see those of you who know Wyckoff schematic, that's exactly what's taking place over there. Actually, we did get the market here, or rather, accumulation distribution. Okay, so in this case, we did according to that Wyckoff theory and still go back up. Most likely that we can actually complete the Wyckoff schematic theory over here. But nevertheless, I really want to emphasize on more simpler stuff, especially for my beginner family. Now, going back all the way up here, maybe in the future, but for this week, I don't think so. Maybe in the next week or two, we might go back to that. I want to predict what's relevant for this week. And I saw something quite interesting when I was preparing this. We do have broke. We see that cross, it really stands out as a fair value gap. I will show you what I'm talking about. Look at that. When you go to the H1, that stands as a nice fair value gap. Okay, there we go. Where the market can actually really potentially pull back into such areas. Let me just show you where it pulls back into such areas, then sells more. But then I have it's the 18th, and we're predicting this markets for the 18th all the way to the 22nd of November. It's amazing how time has really went off, eh? Okay, so we can potentially hit this featherly gap, then sell further. Where further am I referring to? Now, if we go to the 4H back again, we can clearly see that this whole pullback is a type of pullback. A deep pullback looks like it's initiating a new trend, but it comes in with a lot of volume. So that's what I can identify. Even though we broke structure over here, it's coming back to actually retest. I want to stretch it across like that. According to Wyckoff schematic, we should really get the market coming back here again to really, there we go. I just wanted selling, and then we will go back again into that. Okay, so it will accumulate, and of course it will distribute, and vice versa again. That's how I'm predicting it in terms of the whole concepts that I use. Although most of the time when I do this weekly focused, I'm pretty much hitting the bullseye, right? But it's not 100%. I usually have that instinct within myself whenever I'm like analyzing and so forth. I still need more confirmation. I'm not sure exactly what I'll be looking at with that confirmation. If today this fulfills, maybe this is the condition. If the market here, I mean, this fair value gap, and then we're selling further, breaking this lows, then for sure we can be confident in saying this demand level will hold the market to push it all the way up. Definitely do not miss it. I will sort of want to give a setup on this YouTube channel. Please look out for it with down focus like this. And I came back, gave a trade setup. and the market sold beautifully. I believe this server came up, we did actually give it, we did, but yeah. Such things, please to watch out. If you're a first-time viewer and you like exactly what we do on this channel, the way we articulate the things we teach, or just overall how we do things on this channel, then make sure to subscribe, right? Also, do like so that this video can get suggested to more people out there who need Monday focused just to navigate exactly where the market is going to go or really affirm their trading skills by focusing in the same direction as myself. Okay. And also, it is open to discussion, open to disagreements, guys. We have a lot of advanced traders that watch us. So if you're one of those traders, you've seen something totally different than what I just saw, do comment down below. Please do be descriptive, right? Some of you guys will just comment, well, I just see a buy, you're wrong. I get it. I may be wrong, but you need to explain so that not only myself do I get, you know, something from your knowledge and your comment, but other people as well can get to understand it clearly why you're disagreeing. Then that helps grow a very good community that's well knowledgeable in trading and in harmony. Because to have harmony, you need both negative and positive, or wrong and right, dark and white, you know, day and night, things like that. Okay. But nevertheless, thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you on the next video. Um, yeah.